Free stuff. Gotta love your free stuff. All right, Debbie. So today we're talking about how to make money as an affiliate marketer selling free trials. Yep, we're talking free, baby. All right, before we begin, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. If you're trying to be lazy and make money online, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the Make Money Online videos that I release when I release them. All right, so for those of you that say you suck at being a salesman, free trials are what you want to be selling as an affiliate marketer. So I'm gonna show you how to make money in this space. You don't have to get anyone to buy anything. You just get paid. All right, let's get to it. All right, Debbie, so free trials can be an affiliate marketer's dream or their worst nightmare. For example, on the good side of things, there are totally legitimate services, book giveaways, free samples of food and all that are totally legit. They're honest businesses set up for this that can make serious money. Like, for example, up to $456 for a free book giveaway. So an affiliate can earn up that much money. Now, on the flip side of things, there are some shady free trial offers that you should look out for. So with that said, use the educational content that I'm using in this video. Always do your own due diligence. This is not legal or professional advice. The reason why I say that is just on the screen here. There was recently a teeth whitener product that was basically having affiliates promote the free trial offer, and they were pitching it as a free trial. But what would happen is the customer, unbeknownst to them, they'd be hit with a $200 a month recurring charge. They had no idea that it was happening. All right, so the customer would come in for this. It was like a $1 plus shipping thing, and they would automatically be placed on a $200 a month recurring box charge that they had no idea that they were getting placed on, and it was hard for them to cancel. So the FTC went after them and sued them big time. So just be careful. Always do your own due diligence and make sure that the product that you're selling is done legitimately. All right, so the way that you want to confirm this is that the customer is fully aware of what they're getting. They're not getting placed on any recurring charges without approving it, and it's spelled out properly. All right, so with that said, with all the scary stuff out of the way, the first thing you want to do is head to Offer Vault. This is just one of the many sources to find the tens of thousands of different free trials offers out there. So just type in free trial. You have all kinds of stuff like the ketone diet is hot right now. There's always a lot of free trials around that. Just be careful, look through those, skim through those. A big network for this is affiliateze.com. XE.com. I don't quite know how to say that, but I always see their banners at like affiliate summits and all that. So they've been around for a while, but manually go through and look at the offers. Another one is Big Bucks Revenue. There are all kinds of different things. Just to pull one up here, here is one for this site called Skillshare. This is essentially like an online trading platform. So you have entrepreneurship, filming, photography. The customer gets 14 days for free, and you get per sale $30 for any of the free trials they sign up for. So that's a flat $30 fee for any of the 30-day. It's a 30-day trial. So very easy to convince people. It's like, hey, you want to learn how to do this topic? Well, you can do it for free here. You can try it out for 30 days, get the course. You don't have to pay anything. If you don't want to stick with it, you just cancel. All right, so you can literally pitch it as a free course because that's what they get if they sign up. All right, so here's another one. You can check out wowtrk.com. So it's wowtrk.com. This is a network specifically for free offers. This has a bunch of them. All right, so check that out. There are tons of them, networks specifically for this, just to pull up a couple more little things that you can sell. Here's one. Get Response. I personally use them. You can pitch this as an affiliate, a free trial. So that's something that you can sell. Another one would be something like Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets. Customer comes in, good book. They get a good book, and then they get these upsells along the way. So this offer monetizes it through the upsells. Now these are all opt-in. The customer doesn't have to buy these, but you get an affiliate commission anytime they do. All right, so very easy to convince people to do free stuff. Let me just pull up a couple other ones that, for example's sake, so let's just go through a couple more here. Flawless Complexion, 3D adult games, that's pretty weird. Let's see here. People into some weird stuff. All right, we gotta keep going. Weight control, a lot of these cam sites, these could be a minefield. Be careful about those. But people are into that niche. Just go through and make sure that if you're into that stuff. I personally don't do any adult stuff. I like to stay like white hat as possible, but I know plenty of people killing it in that space. Let's see here. We got a lot of those little hookup sites, free trials. Let's go down further on the page here. man. Well, the one thing that you got to just look at, like, it's like you've seen 4 pages of these weird hookup sites and these sex sites. People are making bank with this stuff. So they wouldn't be there if they weren't. It goes on and on. Man, there's so many pages of this. Let's filter differently. Let's flip it around here. Free trial. Let's just type in something like free trial. God, I'm on like page 20. There's more of those. Free trial. We can just type in something like free trial software. Let's see what we have. All right, so we have streaming apps, pure code. This is like a coding thing, $4 a sale. Could get a little better than that. It's a little low. I'd try to aim for something like 10. These are more leads. These aren't quite, this is probably just for like downloads here. All right, so you're just gonna wanna go through here. Free trial is very easy to sell. So free books, there's a whole range of them, everything you could possibly think of, free supplements. Go through the sites I recommended just to check out. Again, do your own due diligence. I personally know people making insane bank, like 600 grand a year promoting nothing but free trials. All right, so that's a great starting point. Now, if you want to learn the actual technical steps of creating a site, getting traffic so that you can promote these free trials, check out my Deadbeat Super Affiliate system. You can go to deadbeatsuperaffiliate.com. It is a great place to start, especially if you're a beginner to intermediate level. This is going to show you exactly what you need to start promoting these offers. Just do some small tweaks in there, and you can start selling these free items and potentially make bank from there. That will teach you everything you need to know from starting a website to creating content that actually position you the right way to sell these products and getting tons of free traffic so that once you set it up and get it running, you don't have to do anything from that point on. You can get traffic for years to come doing the right stuff. So check that out or link below. Also, I have plenty of other videos on my channel. Check those out. Links to some of the playlists that apply to this topic will be below in the description and in the first comment below. With that said, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the videos that I've released. When I release them, it's time for me to go take a nap. Oh, also, if you have any questions for me, just comment below. I'll come back in and answer. That said, peace.